हम्म यार एक्चुअली एक पहले वाला सवाल आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग हियर देन व्हेन यू लाइक व्हेन वीनस पेंट्स व्हेन इट गोज बैक टू योर डेस्क नयन वहां पे अगर कुछ गलती हो गई तो या होने का स्कोप होता है लाइक
Yeah,
कहाँ
yeah,
कहाँ
many a
पे
times
लाइक
that happen. I'm telling you, he lost so many pieces and I get angry on him so many a times. Okay, I painted and then he lost it. Oh, he just like, oh, तो उड़ गया होगा हवा में यहाँ वहाँ. I was like, this is not the way. So that happened many a times.
So breathing is very important while making this thing. You cannot sneeze, you cannot cough. अगर आपने छींक दिया तो it's lost. It is gone. If you're working and you sneezed, if you cough, it is gone. Everything will fly off. So it has to. We have to control our breath. अगर गलती से हो गए काम नहीं होता. We work with mask on if we have any kind of sneezing or coughing, cold cough है. Because थोड़ी सी हवा आती है, it goes off. So that is very, I can say, and after paint cutting is still a very I can say basic part of the process, but अगर एक बार वो paint हो गया and if the painted piece get lost, oh my goodness, that is, but luckily we are still अभी तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं कि खो मिल जाता, it is somewhere कहीं it is stuck here, okay, यहाँ चिपक जा, because they are small pieces, if you put your hand on it चिपक जाएगा, you will not know, and they'll keep searching और फिर यहाँ से निकलेगा, so it keeps happening, but that is the fun of it, because there are multiple layers. So you saw that hummingbird, this tiny one I just showed, this scale, this has almost 16 layers, 16 tiny paper feathers attached to create this particular. So if I will have, I don't have it right now in my hand, but the stencils, they're just tiny pieces. So the
can you get it? We can wait.
okay, chalo, just give me a second. So this is the thing. If it is visible, okay.
Oh yeah.
So these are the tiny parts. You can see the beak, the neck. There's a fish legs. So these are these tiny things which are again painted and then assembled. So the pieces are very smaller than the actual artwork. The tiny cutouts are much smaller than the artwork.
This one is heron, I guess.
That is little. This is snowy egret. It's a snowy egret.
This is bigger bird actually, but if you see stencil of hummingbird, they're so
It's
tiny.
the hummingbird ka, like this, in this much. This is the whole hummingbird ka size. So this is in 16 layers. This one. So
it's
they're this
very,
small things.
Micro mini pieces.
And then there are in that one tiny bit there are 5 colors in that particular feather. So the tiny piece has to have those 5 pigments. Dot 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 dot. So then when it comes together,
So
then
whatsoever
you
is to
see.
get ruined at some point, then we have to start it again.
Yeah.
The whole piece. That's the difficult part of creating miniatures.
So
which are like known.
Ek precision knife is the thing which you get in the stationaries. So we use very heavy GSM papers, 150 or 300 GSM. So we use the 11 number blade, which is a bigger blade, like heavy duty blade. So that is one specific part about our work. And the papers we use are all watercolor papers because they has to be painted. So they're all professional grade, different brands, but all are professional grade watercolor papers.
And
then
how
there
did
are
you
tiny.
arrive at how did you arrive at these with experiment or like you knew because of your background, design background?
It
So
was
both we can say.
both.
Yeah.
Like we had a basic knowledge.
Yes, then while working, we discover like we need more specific. Like before, we used to work with a little thin paper, which is like 100 GSM, but it didn't work with the watercolor. So we have to, because 300 GSM is so hard to cut. But because we do watercolor, we need to use this thicker paper so it can stay with watercolor.